Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find and copy the URL of any Facebook profile. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Facebook app. Once the app is open, you'll see your feed with all the latest posts from your friends and followers. Step 2. Now, locate your profile by tapping on your profile picture or your name at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Facebook profile. Step 3. Next, locate the 3 vertical dots option and tap on it. Step 4. Now, locate the copy link option and tap on it to copy your profile link instantly. You can use the same method to copy another profile link. Step 5. Next, open the profile you want to copy the URL from, then choose the 3 vertical dots option. Step 6. For the last and most important step, select the Copy Link option to find and copy the URL of any Facebook profile instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.